Hello and good morning. In this video, we want to tackle some basic inequalities. So, suppose x and y are non-zero positive numbers, not necessarily integers. Now, when you square a number, we always get a positive result. Okay, so if we square root of x minus square root of y, that will be equal to or greater than 0. So expanding that bracket, we'll have x minus 2 square root xy plus y equal to or greater than 0. And then from that it easily follows that x plus y is equal to or greater than 2 square root xy. And that means x plus y over 2 is equal to or greater than the square root of x times y. Now, this is the most basic form of a general theorem that if a1, a2, a3 going up to an are n positive numbers, then the mean of those numbers, which we call the algebraic mean, which we get by adding them together and dividing by how many numbers there are, so that's a1 plus a2 plus a3 going all the way up to an divided by n, will be equal to or greater than the product of those numbers, a1, a2, an, and then that be raised to the power of 1 over n. The left-hand side is called the algebraic mean, and the right-hand side is called the geometric mean. Now, we haven't proved that result, but we will try to do that in a future video. It's a little bit more difficult than the first result that we've just proved. So, moving on, let's suppose that a, b, and c are positive numbers. Then we need to prove that a plus b times b plus c times c plus a will be equal to or greater than 8 times a, b, c. Now, from the result which you've already proved, we can easily see, I hope, that a plus b over 2 is equal to or greater than the square root of ab, and likewise b plus c over 2 is equal to or greater than the square root of bc, and c plus a over 2 is equal to or greater than the square root of AC. Then multiplying out, we will get a plus b times b plus c times c plus a over 2 times 2 being equal to or greater than the square root of a, b, b, c, c, a, which is the square root of a squared, b squared, c squared. And that's, of course, equal to a, b, c. And so from that, we easily get the required result that a plus b times b plus c times c plus a is equal to or greater than 8 times a, b, c. And thanks very much for listening.